guys, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about the pants that I got off my fall fashion mood board, which is by Burda. You know, you would think I love, well, I do. I love me some Burda. I got the pants off of October 2018. And this one, I think I was still a subscriber at that time. And the pants that I chose is pants pattern number 102. I really love it. Let me see if I can find it in here. Here she is. This pants right here. And the fabric that I chose is a cotton stretch fabric by driessenstoffen.nl, and I have this fabric in two colors. So I have it in this taupe color right here, and I also have it in this burnt yellow color right here. So at the time that I bought my fabric, I didn't have this pants in mind. I did have a pants in mind, so I did buy enough so I could make a pants, but now I have enough fabric left that I can make a top and have like a whole thing going. But since I wanted to calm down my wardrobe to just make a top, it will be too much. It will be too much. So let me just, I'll show you my pants and then I'll get into the specs. So this is my pants right here. It has two folds in the front and a fake pocket in the back. I placed a button right there, and it doesn't, let's see, it doesn't really touch my ankle, or yeah, it's a little above my ankle, but it's cute. I mean, they call it a cigar leg pants, I believe. And of course okay, and I'm going to style it with these shoes right here, so you can check out the pictures on my Instagram. Let's get into the specs. As you guys know, for Burda, you would have to draw your pattern on pattern paper and just cut it out. And usually the seam allowance on the sides is 1.5 centimeters, unless it's indicated otherwise. And then for the hem is usually 4 centimeters, unless it's indicated otherwise. And it is 5 pattern pieces. So you got the front and the back, and you got the facing for the front and the back, and you got the little flap for the pocket. You have to use interfacing. So you would have to use interfacing for this part right here. I did a little understitching so it wouldn't continue to come up here. And you need an invisible zipper so you can, you know, this one is a good one, by the way. I celebrated this win. That's what you need. By now I have the way of doing the pants, but it's usually you make sure that you sew both of the legs. That means you're sewing the outside of the leg as well as the inside of the leg. Then you have 2 pieces, and then you put them together. You put them inside each other. Make sure that the good sides are facing each other, and then you sew from the front all the way to the back, which is this part right here. You take them out and you got a pants. And I really like it. I mean, I love this one. Like a solid color shirt with a, like this. Oh my, I'm living my best life. 6 steps to success. Only 6. For my hem, I used my blind stitch. You can only see like little things, but it's just, I really like that finish nowadays, especially because it's not by hand, the machine does it, and yeah, it's pretty simple. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just wanted to say hey. Check me out on Instagram. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like the video. Follow me on Instagram, and you have a great great day. Bye.